It's like I can't do no wrong.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, y'all are in for it because I'm about to show you guys how I installed this wig start to finish, ball cap and all. And of course, in the beginning, I'm going to show you guys the specs of this hair. And of course, it comes with 2 combs on the side. I'm glad there's one not in the middle, and there's one in the back with 2 adjustable straps. In case you guys didn't catch in the beginning, this wig is in a size large and the lace is transparent. And don't judge my outfit, you guys. I was doing housework this day. Y'all, this is so much hair. Like, look at that. Ooh-wee. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all the hairline. Let me see. She's definitely pretty plucked for sure. So when I bleach these knots though, oh my god, I'm so excited for this wig. Oh, it's giving very much city girl, but I'm gonna be sweating. So yeah, I'm ready to get it popping. All right, bye. So first I'm gonna start off with the ball cap method. I do have a wig cap in the same skin tone, and I'm just gonna start out by cutting holes by my ear. So I pulled the wig cap over my ear and just stick them through. This will make it easier, so when you apply your adhesive to the wig cap, you don't have to worry about the earpieces lifting up. So now I'm gonna start applying my glue. So I'm using glue instead of spray or anything like that, because when you go to cut the wig cap, it doesn't lift. So you know how you guys spray or put the got2b gel on and it has lifting in the front. If you apply the glue straight to the wig cap, it won't do that. So I'm going to be applying the first layer, letting that turn clear, and then applying a second layer. I'm only doing 2 layers, and then I'm going to move on to cutting the excess wig cap. So what I'm using to cut the cap is some eyebrow scissors, some little tiny scissors. You guys can get it anywhere pretty much, and this just helps me be more precise in my cutting. And you might see a little bit of excess cap still up there after I'm done cutting, but I'm going to use the wig glue to lay that down anyway, so I wasn't really worried about that. But now I'm just applying some powder foundation to the wig cap just to make the cap look a little bit more seamless and bald-like. And I'm going to do the same thing to the lace of the wig. And of course, I'm going to be cleaning off my hairline so the glue and wig adheres better. So before applying the wig, I have to see how it fits and what excess cap I need to cut off. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm showing you guys what the hairline looks like. I did end up bleaching the knots, and I didn't pluck this wig until after I had already applied it. And before I apply my wigs, I like to make sure all the pieces of hair, stray hair, is back. So I use some hairspray just to hold that hair back in place. And then I'm going to cut slits into the lace so I can apply the glue by sections. now I'm going in again with the wig glue. I'm doing the same thing I did to the wig cap, and I'm just doing it in sections this time. Again, I did apply 2 layers. You guys can do 3, 4, however many you think you need, depending on how long you keep it on. And once the 2 layers have turned clear, I go ahead and use my comb just to press the lace down into it. That makes it a little bit more seamless. Use your finger tools as long as they're clean, okay? But that's what I did to help press down the lace. So I'm going to go ahead and continue the glue across the whole hairline, and then we're going to tie this bad boy down. Honestly, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this part right here, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys me cutting the lace, because I am gonna pluck around the hairline a little bit more, because on camera she's not giving what I'm getting in person. So we're just gonna make it both flow together, and I'll be right back.
king, you a king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back again with the voiceover. I just wanted to show you guys the parting space. And then after this clip, I'm going to be showing you guys that I put more powdered foundation around the hairline because I feel like it'll blend better with my skin tone. Because if you guys do wigs, then you know once you cut the lace, there's like a white cast where you cut it. So this kind of helped that. So you don't have to do this. I'm just being extra.
My body's so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live the king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Pop everything, everything.
Once I finish with the powder, I'm going to go back in with the hairspray and just spray around the hairline and slick it back with the brush because I like that little sleek look. I'm not going to keep the baby hair down or edges down. I'm just doing this again because I'm extra. So there's that.
You know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. 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 Don't live the king, you know it. King already, you know it. Stop everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body's so good.
Once I was finished with the hairspray, I did tie it down for about 15-20 minutes just so the lace is on fleek.
Body, body gon' shine, bling bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body.
I did put a couple of clips in here to show you guys what the hair looks like dry and brushed out, and then what it looks like with just some water on it. So the curls are really pretty.
Got a king body. Don't live the king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, time already, shine already, time already, shine already, time already, shine already.
So to cut the lace, I'm using an eyebrow razor. You guys can use scissors and just go zigzag, but I like how the razors cut because it gives it like a jagged edge and looks more realistic. You guys can use whatever you want. Again, just be careful. I am not responsible for any injury. I hereby state that no lace or persons was hurt in this video.
Diamonds on my fist, my intimate job. Come and rest your head, take your crown off. Woke up in the phone, need to take it slow. Said I'm moving too fast, need to take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Trying to take my baby home. Take it slow.
Now this is what the wig looks like without the lace. I'm going to add baby hair just to shape it to my face. I know there's like a new trend going on now with like the short baby hair and all that, but I'm low-key, high-key scared to do it. If I do, it'll probably be on an old wig. And if I do, I will probably make a video on it. But for now, I'm just going to stick to what I know.
If you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all.
All the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with the bag say
All the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad with the bag say, ay, ay, ay. If he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. And if we see a mad hoe, tell her ha, ha, ha. Hey, don't get mad, hoe. Mad hoe. Don't get mad, hoe. Mad hoe.
Okay, you guys, so this is the hair, the finished product. This might be one of my best installs. I don't know. Like the lace just blends so well from what I can see. And in person, she looks blended. She looks intact, okay? So let me know what you guys think about this hair and how I did on this install. And let me know you guys made it this far by leaving me pink hearts down below in the comment section. Thumbs up this video. I love you guys and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.